why am I in this family? Stop! But you know what?
Look who's here!
Hi! My hair's pink! My hair's curly! So, we are here at the Chinese supermarket. We are going to be testing some Chinese food.
Maybe a century egg, maybe. We haven't decided. We've actually decided against the whole century egg bit. Because we've watched way too many videos now on the century egg and it looks vile and disgusting.
And see if we've got 5,000.
Oh, we want 5,000 likes for this video, guys.
Right,
yeah.
so this is it. We're at Taipei. Right, is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Wait, you know that powdery mochi stuff? Is that Chinese?
And we get in China fruit, which is basically dried plums.
We'll get whatever we find in there.
Yeah, I'll just try them.
Asha,
You
is
might
there
get the
anything
spiciest noodle in the world.
We'll see you in there.
Hi, we're going to be getting some Chinese food. So, what are we getting here?
These are the century eggs.
Are they century eggs? Century eggs.
Quail century eggs.
Century eggs. This is pineapple. Pineapple. And then here is some juice. This isn't actually juice, it's wine.
Okay.
Strawberry crisps, they sound good.
Hi guys!
Right.
Here we
what
are.
we have here is all our different Chinese snacks.
Asha is choosing first what we all try.
Yeah.
And then Daddy, and then me, and then Mummy.
Okay.
Boys first.
Cheese.
These
ones, okay.
Choco Puff.
show the camera.
Tamagotchi flavour.
These are Choco Puffs. So they're like crispy around the edge and then chocolate inside.
We hope in. Oh, a cute little packaging inside.
Here's more. Okay.
Let's see what.
Oh, they look quite good.
How do they smell?
So
Oh, they're quite big.
This is what they look like. Actually,
I'm trying one first.
we're gonna rate them out of 10 as well.
Yeah.
3, 2,
Professor.
1. Quite good. Ah, no.
Very dry.
Yeah.
They're really good.
What's sweet? You taste the chocolate.
Quite good. I should sit down, please.
They're really good. My favourite one yet. My favourite one yet.
Really?
My favourite one yet. We only done one.
I'd give that
And another one.
a
I'm
4.
gonna give
You have enough?
4.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give them a 6.
4 out of 10.
I go down the middle. 5 out of 10 for me.
I give them a 6 because its flavour's nice. Just the texture and it's just a bit powdery.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Okay.
What's up, baby?
Okay.
Right.
Go on then, Dad.
So
Pick
I'm
us.
gonna go for original flavour Ramoon.
Okay, I'm just gonna get a glass.
That's what's up.
So this is a special glass bottle with a marble in the top that.
Marble.
Yeah, you drop the marble
All the other
in.
glasses are in the wash, guys.
Peel.
Oh yeah, you push that in, don't you?
Yeah, it says peel.
Yeah, you peel the plastic bit off there.
And then pop it in.
that in. Right, you go first then, Daddy. It's your choice.
Good? Do you want to go next, Asha?
Yeah.
Is it good, Dad? Oh, don't say anything yet. Don't say anything yet.
It smells really good.
Go on.
Don't say what it's like, okay, Asha?
Wow!
Chicken. Don't say anything.
Oh, this is Japanese.
Oh, is it? Well, it makes sense, doesn't it?
You
Japanese.
guys don't know that.
Because
I like
we
that.
buy that, we get that
It's a
when we
bit
go Yo
weird.
Sushi, don't we?
Yeah.
And Yo Sushi's Japanese,
yeah.
isn't it?
There's not much of a flavour.
Do you like Asha?
I quite like it. It's nice.
You don't. It's
I don't
alright.
like it.
It's sour.
It's not sour, it's sweet.
I think that's really good.
Yeah.
I would give that a 7 out of 10.
I will give that a 7 as well.
I will give that a 6.
Okay.
Give that
Don't
8 out of 8.
Good lad.
8 out of 8.
So it's my turn to choose, and I've been wanting to try these for like so long. So, oh sugar, we have strawberry mochi. Like I've been just wanting to try mochi for a long time. So yeah,
I know, I'm excited. To try
I've
these
seen
ones.
videos of people trying them, but apparently it looks like it's got like liquid in it. And
I don't
so
yeah, a bit
it does look a bit weird, but I've just always wanted to try
I
it.
don't want to try it.
You have to. It's strawberry sweet.
Ooh.
Oh, they're little and cute.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
One for you.
I thought they were going to be a lot bigger than
Squidgy.
this.
Oh, they smell good.
Strawberry flavour.
They're squishy, look, see.
Have you got yours, Asha? Open it up.
Yeah.
Oh, they smell so good.
Actually,
Oh,
They
guys,
smell so strawberry.
look, they're like powdery and squidgy. I'm so excited. Look.
Oh my goodness.
You ready? You ready?
They smell so good.
Ashley's not as ready.
There we go.
I don't know.
No.
Like, I don't even know if I want to eat the rest.
No, I don't.
It smells so good.
It tastes good too.
Do you like it?
It's a bit of a weird, but it's a bit of a weird texture.
Yeah, not.
It's just the texture that's put me off, I think.
Yeah, I think that's for me. And the taste is not much of a taste.
Yeah.
Your turn.
I give that.
Oh, yeah.
I give that a
3.
3. Yeah, 3 out of 10.
I think the flavour's okay. It's just the texture's just a bit.
Yeah, the texture.
Yeah.
What do you guys give it?
I give it a 4 out of 10.
Oh, I give it 3.
Okay.
Alright then. Cat.
Ooh, what's she gonna pick? What's she gonna pick? She is gonna pick the crab flavoured snap.
Oh, okay.
We don't know what's
It sounds
Look
really
at Mr. Crab on the front there.
Right, so it's crab
He's so
crisp.
cute. Tam Tam crab flavoured snap.
Put this on the table.
Ooh!
Oh gosh, they do smell a bit funky.
They look. What's with stuffing?
Still got to try some, Asha.
I'm trying one.
Just take a couple.
This is what they look like. They're just orange and they've got like lines.
They're good.
They are good. I like
They're
that.
quite good.
I like that.
Yeah,
They're harder than I thought. They're good. I like them.
I think
Right, sweet, a little bit sweet.
Uh-huh.
they look sweet.
Yeah, I get a very sweet.
Yeah. I
Quite sugary.
I really like them. Okay then, next one. Actually, your turn again. Choose.
So we need to mark them out of 10.
Oh yeah. I give them a 7.
Yeah.
7.
6 from me.
8 from me.
8.
Really,
8 out of 10.
Yeah, I'm really surprised at that.
Actually, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10 for the crab crisps.
With the
Yeah.
tam tam.
You weren't going to try them as well.
Damn.
That's why I always say try it and you'll never know.
Bags with Amelia.
Fortune cookies next.
Right, fortune. Yeah.
Now.
How about you pick one for everybody?
Okay.
Yeah, go on then.
Nobody's picked the century eggs yet.
I'm not trying it. No one's trying them, I don't think. I'm just going to smell them and like maybe lick them.
Okay, let's do
I get
this.
the gold.
What
And
will our
Gary
fortunes be?
Wait, can I read mine out first? It's my choice.
Insert magic music. Boy.
Ooh, I got a knife.
Oh, it's Japanese, right?
Turn it upside down. You've got upside down. They're the top list sentences in England.
Two.
Okay, Ashes says, attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference.
Oh. Sounds like you, Asher.
Go on, who's next?
The everlasting patience will be rewarded sooner or later. What does that
I'm
even mean?
opening it.
Mine says, the secret of getting ahead is getting started.
And mine says, gossip dies when it hits a wise person's ears.
Like that one. Do like that one.
Right.
Right, Daddy.
What
eating them,
are
Asher?
you going to choose?
Yeah or no? No, not the paper. And then...
What was that?
Right then.
Dance break! Dance break. What's yours?
Alright, I'm gonna choose
Oh.
dried plums.
Tried
Not
it
looking
fruit.
forward to it.
I am.
I'm not looking.
I went a bit often though, didn't I, Dad?
We've had these loads,
Pretty sure.
and
Pretty sure I went often.
Do you want to explain them a bit?
So basically, this is what they look like. They look like a coconut. No. Yeah. They look like. Have you seen the nuts? You know on Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Yeah, they're like the nuts that the squirrels have.
Oh, yeah.
Good explanation, that is.
okay, so it's just a dried plum, and it's covered in some
Look it.
sort of some sugar. Just suck it. Put it in your mouth and
I
just
really don't want to do it.
put it in your mouth. It's not disgusting.
No.
I'm telling you now.
It looks gross.
I know.
Put it in your mouth. Put it in the whole thing in your mouth.
I don't like it.
What then?
I
Put
know.
it down then.
It's just really sweet.
Just suck on it. It will go around. Keep sucking it.
It tastes like soap.
The sweet's gonna come through. Suck it, promise you.
Oh, I do not like it.
Keep sucking on it. The sweet comes through. Don't do that. Just leave it. Just suck it.
What do you say? It's not it.
He doesn't have to because I'm not eating.
Is it better than we thought it was gonna be?
No. It's literally I give that a 1 out of 10.
I give it a 7.
0.
I'm about 8.
Yeah, I know you like them.
I'm gonna go for
No!
Yeah, strawberry crisps.
strawberry crisp.
Let's show them.
They look like this.
Just the shapes of the stuff.
Bite them with the crisps.
Oh.
Let me smell. Wait. Let me smell. Dad, it's mine to choose.
Sit down, that plate.
Don't try them yet, Asher. Asher, don't.
Ooh.
Oh my god, they smell so weird.
They smell like strawberries.
Yeah.
Strawberry crisps.
Oh, they're quite good.
Are they?
A bit
Yeah.
sugary.
Oh, they taste like cereal. Oh, I like them. No, I feel like cereal.
I know. Good.
Yeah, I like them. Right, Claire, your turn to pick something.
I'm gonna pick the century eggs.
I'm gonna open it.
Amelia's gonna eat one. She's gonna eat a century egg. She's gonna eat a century egg.
Do you wanna get the camera cut?
Yeah.
Can I hold it?
Let's go in.
It doesn't feel like anything.
Here it is. This is a quail century egg.
Just hold it from a high distance and just drop it.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Stinky.
It's like, oh, it's like fairy.
Oh.
Wait, peel the skin off. Peel the skin off. It's gonna be a real egg.
That's sick.
I can smell it. I can smell it. You said you're gonna eat it.
Yeah, but I didn't think it was gonna be this bad.
Smells like.
I thought it was gonna be like
eggy
white
farts.
inside, and then like.
Oh, this one's got a nice soft yolk.
I can see through it.
Yeah, yeah. If you hold it in the light, you'll be.
No chance.
Whoa.
Oh, it smells.
Ah! Sorry, Dad. Oh, 5 second rule.
Don't think with a 100-year-old egg that's gonna work, love.
Right, are we gonna chop it in half? See what it's like. Oh, it's disgusting. I feel like. Ugh. What do you think, Asha? You gonna try it? Oh, it smells so bad.
I can't even cut it.
It's gonna. The smell's gonna come through now.
Oh my god!
Yeah, the smells come through now.
There's no way I'm eating that.
Oh,
There is no way. You can't even, as parents, make me eat that.
You said you would.
Yeah, but no.
Got enough pepper pig?
No! No!
Oh, calm down.
Stop! Right.
Let me see.
Go on.
I'm not gonna watch.
Can you taste it?
I don't know what I'm tasting.
Yes!
Everybody's gonna be brave. Look at Asha trying it.
No, that tastes okay.
Just egg, boiled egg is what it is.
Yes, Amelia. So guys, that's it for
What
our.
was, guys, what was the
Comment
worst?
down
What
below.
was the worst one?
Century egg.
Century egg.
Yeah.
Comment down below. Comment down below and hit that. That you want
Make sure to
Like.
comment
and subscribe
and
subscribe.
And so.
make sure to
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yay. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.